Hello everyone, I'm Akshawardhan, a student of PGDM Financial Markets 2015-16 at NIFM Faridabad, and today I'll be discussing the events that caused the suspension of futures trading in Castor Seed. The content has been provided by Ramanjot Kaur, also a student of PGDM Financial Markets 2015-16 at NIFM Faridabad. Castor seed is a tropical plant cultivated around the world for its non-edible oil seed. Castor oil and its derivatives have vast and varied applications in manufacturing of soaps, lubricants, hydraulic and brake fluids, paints, dyes, coatings, inks, cold resistant plastics, waxes and polishes, nylon, pharmaceuticals, and perfumes. Castor oil is unique as it has no synthetic substitute. Castor seed is an important commodity from an Indian trader's point of view because of the following reasons. Castor is a non-edible oilseed crop, basically a cash crop, with an average oil recovery rate of 46%. Castor seed production in India is around 9 to 10 lakh metric tons. Castor oil is the biggest export out of India in terms of vegetable oil. India is the biggest exporter of castor oil, occupying about 70% share of the international trade in castor oil. So, what were the events that led to the suspension of trading in castor seed? Let's see. During November 2014, Castor Seed witnessed a sharp bull run because output was estimated to decline on account of late sowing due to delay in monsoon rains. On 3rd of December 2014, to check excessive volatility, the Forward Markets Commission levied 5% additional margins on both sides. On 5th of February 2015, abnormal volatility in prices and buildup of open interest in castor seed contracts was noticed. So staggered delivery was advanced with effect from 29 December 2014 instead of 11 January 2015, and 100% margins were levied with effect from 26 December 2014. On 27 February 2015, few farmer associations alleged that several corporate houses were part of an anti-farmer corporate nexus with other exchanges for suppressing castor seed prices. Since netting of margin was allowed to traders having different side positions in two different maturity contracts of the same commodity, therefore corporate houses were alleged to hold highly leveraged positions in castor seed. On 23rd November 2015, additional margins of 5% on both sides were imposed in view of increased volatility. On 25th of January 2016, NCDEX increased the extreme loss margin from 1.5% to 2%, and this extreme loss margin was further increased from 2% to 2.5% on 27 January 2016, but later during the day, NCDEX suspended future trading in all running castor seed contracts with immediate effect, and the outstanding positions were settled at the daily settlement price at closing on January 27, 2016. Traders were asked to withdraw their deposits of goods from the exchange registered warehouses. NCDEX explained that one of the reasons for the suspension was that the February contract was trading at a discount and the March and April ones at a premium. However, traders were still seen selling February futures, due to which castor future prices were falling, and if the downward trend had continued, it would have affected farmers adversely. So, what were the developments after the suspension of trading? Let's see. On 28 January 2016, SEBI asked NCDEX for an explanation as to why it suspended future trading in castor seed. NCDEX replied that some of its members were unable to pay mark-to-market margins as prices had fallen sharply from 4,745 rupees per kilogram to 3,189 rupees per kilogram, which is a fall of roughly 48.8% between December 1, 2015 to 27 January 2016. Initial findings of NCDEX into castor seed price manipulation suggested some irregularities. Some big traders had started taking short positions without having adequate quantity of underlying stock in warehouses. Allegations were that a large corporate house had taken huge position at a price significantly higher than the prevailing price of Castor Seed, and so this corporate house wanted Castor Seed prices to go up to recover its losses. But a couple of other traders in similar fields played spoilsport by placing short position orders. Situation had reached such extremes that there was significant risk to market functioning and integrity. Also, the transparent price discovery process was getting affected. NCDEX said that it may suspend registration of clients involved in manipulation of castor seed prices on its platform. Now, with the castor seed contracts suspended by NCDEX, several traders from Gujarat resorted to trading at Rajkot Commodity Exchange, which resulted in volumes rising substantially. Volumes on Rajkot Commodity Exchange increased to 5,310 tons from 920 tons in 2 weeks. And the daily turnover of the exchange moved from rupees 2 crore to rupees 16 crore, which is a 8 times increase during this period. Rajkot Commodity Exchange is known for castor contract across India since it is the only commodity being traded at the exchange. There are 101 registered members in Rajkot Commodity Exchange, but only 12 are active. The exchange has about 300 registered non-members who are trading through registered members. Activity of non-members has increased in recent times, which also reflects on the increased volumes. On 21st February 2016, almost after a month having suspended the derivative trading in Castor Seed, the NCDEX is contemplating to relaunch it. But before doing so, it is reviewing the systems for surveillance and risk management with a comprehensive audit of what all went wrong. Internal audits of the four members who were put on square off mode and forensic audit of whole episode to prove its findings. It will look into all aspects of Castor Seed futures, including the trading pattern, whether there was an early use of proxies to build positions, and so on. The exchange has also set up a grievance redressal cell on complaints relating to Castor Seed futures. Also, NCDEX E-Markets Limited, a subsidiary for spot market trading, has offered its platform for sale and delivery of Castor Seed stocks held in exchange approved warehouses. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.